Hi, David Bach here for DebtWise, powered by Equifax. I'm glad you're here, and I'm really glad you're ready to learn how to update your FastPay plan. Look, things change. Sometimes you have extra money to put towards paying off your debt. Other times, a little less. That's fine. That's what's so great about DebtWise. It's all about setting realistic goals, so it's designed to be flexible. And that means you're always making progress towards debt freedom, even when your circumstances change. Let's take a look. There are times when you'll definitely want to update your FastPay plan, like anytime you add or remove a debt, if the interest rate, minimum payment, or terms of a debt change, if you can increase the amount you're able to pay each month, or you'll be paying off a target account earlier or later than you expected. These changes are really easy to make. And remember, this is your plan. It's not reported to anyone, and no one sees it but you. Okay, let's say you want to add or change any additional monthly payments. No problem. The more you pay, the faster you get out of debt. Simple, right? So now let's say you freed up a little more cash each month. Go to the commitment calculator to change the additional amount you're putting towards debt each month. And ta-da! You have a brand new debt freedom date. Or go to it from a different direction. Input the date you want to be free from debt, and the commitment calculator shows you how much your additional payment should be in order to make that happen. Easy, right? That's the whole idea. Go ahead and give it a try.